Network security requirements in 5G. Network security and advancing technologies. In the last decade, the world used networking to gain widespread connectivity, where accessibility to remote data increased. At the same time, the threat to private data amplified. The need for network security was identified in the late 80s when the experts found that there is an urgent need to control crucial communication. The first attack was made by the Morris worm program, which was capable of replicating itself, expanding to multiple computers and remaining active on the computers it attacked. The need for secure solutions for healthcare business. Cybersecurity remains the key concern of most of the technology companies, where some of the firms in the UK are looking for a possibility of implementing 5G networks in healthcare and IoTs. Digital transformation in healthcare can be attained by implementing the 5G network systems, which can help people coming from distant remote areas to get alert messages and instantaneous medical care in case of crisis. Nevertheless, such systems need a combination of networks, and many cases of security breaches have been reported in the past in the field of healthcare. Such breaches can compromise privacy, where personal data of patients can be accessed and exploited. The company Pangea is experimenting to develop a system of video streaming where the doctors can examine patients and decide treatment, in case of urgency, before the arrival of the patient to the hospitals. Security in 5G systems. The latest study by Keysight Technologies and Dimensional Research on 338 IT professionals surveyed globally found 84% of the companies grew on the cloud in the last year, and 61% of the professionals were concerned over secure transmission of cloud traffic at on-premises monitoring solutions. Companies provide access to employees to upload and forward crucial data across unprotected networks, which can lead to a loss. Since more and more employees are working on mobile phones, the protection of data on mobile is necessary. The use of such devices across wireless networks is difficult to monitor, but only monitored access on the organization's network should be provided to reduce risks. Managing network security. There are many levels of security required by enterprises, which are handled by application security, antivirus, adware, anti-worms, spyware, and nagware. While there are many virus types that can enter a network, behavioral analytics can provide information to detect patterns in the network, where inauthentic elements could be detected. Data loss prevention technology is needed for securing sensitive data communication over networks. Endpoint security can restrict access to remote devices. Firewalls can be implemented for incoming and outgoing data. It creates barriers, which can separate unprotected networks from protected. Intrusion detection and intrusion prevention systems can be applied to detect vulnerabilities, where IDS is used for monitoring and IPS for controlling the network packets to scan traffic and respond accordingly. It helps in setting up independent security management. Encryption, SEIM, and SEM can be used to accumulate information to identify risks and respond. For more information, contact Mont Digital on www.montdigital.com or email info@montdigital.com.